One good ad is easy. 20 that hold together is the product. And by ad 6, most pipelines have recast the model without meaning to. I ship at volume, and this is how to make UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 as a system that scales. 4 finished ads on screen, 1 brand system underneath, and the exact pipeline between them, said plainly up front, because naming the brand obliges me to be exact. This is a Spec campaign for Uniqlo's Spring-Summer 2026 linen collection. Nobody at Uniqlo commissioned it. Nobody at Uniqlo approved it. It is my portfolio piece built on their public catalog pages. And that is the useful part for you, because every claim in this video can be checked against 4 finished ads and 2 real catalog pages on screen, instead of resting on my word. Before the pipeline generates anything, the brand system gets built, and at volume I build the 4 parts in reuse order. The model, because she appears in everything, then the product, then her wardrobe states, then the standing rules. Logo clear of the caption zone, light held to morning, all season. Built once inside invideo agent, locked into context, the project's memory, and the mechanism is the whole economics of volume in 2 sentences. So here both. Every generation starts from 0 and reimagines whatever you did not hand it, with no memory of the 19 ads before. So at volume, the brand is never redescribed by a person. It is attached by the project to every ad in every batch all season, because the alternative is that the 20th ad quietly belongs to a different brand, and nobody catches it until the comments do. The first brief of the campaign, read word for word from the project. A 15-second Instagram reel for the Spring-Summer 2026 linen collection. 12 words. Total. Open the attachment panel and read what invideo agent sent underneath. The product sheet, her locked turnaround, the rules, and the full instruction it wrote. Placement, format, wardrobe state, set. 12 words in, a campaign out, and reading that panel before each batch is the one manual habit this pipeline keeps. The build pays its setup tax exactly once, which is the sentence that makes volume survivable, and casting opens it. Generate a casting wall, a wide spread of candidates side by side, and choose for the platform, not the portfolio. Pass the striking face. Keep the warm one, because reels are watched at arm's length on a phone, and warmth is the quality that survives the shrink to thumbnail while striking mostly dies there. I want one woman across all 20 planned ads, so her turnaround locks before anything else exists. Want, choice, action, and locked. She is the campaign's model for the whole slate. Wardrobe becomes states on her one sheet, never new characters. Pink, striped, sage, a full locked turnaround per shirt on the same woman, all generated against her sheet, so no outfit anywhere on the slate ever renegotiates her face. That is spokesperson consistency at volume as a mechanism, not a hope. States share the sheet. The sheet rides every generation in every batch. And outfit changes are selections. The product locks the same way, built from the real Uniqlo catalog pages. The garment photographed flat and photographed worn, one sheet, locked with the same ceremony as her turnaround, because the product is the slate's second lead and drifts just as happily. Product consistency across a slate is a locked reference attached to everything. The shirt in ad 19 matching ad 1 stitch for stitch, at ad 20 exactly as at ad 2. Settings. Spoken with reasons. Because at volume, a setting without a reason becomes 20 mistakes, and settings are the half of UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 nobody shows. Aspect ratio 9:16. Since every placement on this slate is reels and a 16:9, Master cropped vertical surrenders the product at the edges. Vertical is composed vertical here. A first-class deliverable, never a crop. Resolution 2160 by 3840 on the hero ad, because the hero is the most reused asset on the slate and inherits nothing soft. Duration 15 seconds per brief. 4 variations per generation, because at volume you review choices, you do not chase perfection. And the set is locked in as the slate's plate, morning light, pale floor, the window loyal to one wall, which turns location consistency into a property of the pipeline itself. One room behind every shirt in every ad of every batch, all season long. Generate. And the model gets named the only correct way. InVideo Agent routed this generation to Seedance 2.5, matched to the job. Human motion in vertical framing with fabric moving. Seedance did not make this campaign. No single model did. The system made it, and the routing distributed the work, batch after batch. She comes back mid-stride, linen moving like linen, the panel listing her sheet, the plate, and the product references, all attached by the project. And now the principle the whole pipeline runs on, stated after you have watched it twice. Volume with fidelity. The system uploads once, and every later ad is a delta brief, what changes only, which is how 20 ads cost what one ad costs. Nothing is generated twice, and nothing is wasted. And at volume, that is not a slogan. It is the schedule. The second brief, word for word. And hear how small it is. Same campaign. Striped shirt. The courtyard set. Close on the collar at the turn. 14 words. And the other 18 ads on the slate are briefed at that length, which is what makes the slate a slate instead of 20 separate productions. Selects drop into Premiere Pro at the cut, in batches, and the edit stays fast because the footage arrives already agreeing with itself. The harder case, the beach jump, because every slate needs one shot with real motion risk, and motion is where UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 hold or come apart at scale. Watch the generation build through its 7 states. The plain idea, the direction, read word for word, she jumps, linen catching the wind, low sun behind her, the settings, then the attachments arriving in a stack, the plate, the product references, her sheet, the sage state, 12 words riding a system that knows the whole campaign, and the honest limitation? On screen because volume creators who hide failures ship them. 2 takes returned with the linen reading as plastic. Shine where weave belongs. Both stills shown. Better direction was tried twice and fixed nothing. The fix was better evidence. 2 fabric macros added to the product sheet. The weave photographed close enough to read, and every take after read as linen. When a material reads wrong, feed the system evidence, not adjectives, and the fix propagates to the whole slate. So, that is 20 UGC ads with Seedance 2.5 from one system. Build it once, attach it to every batch, brief only deltas, and let InVideo Agent route every generation to the model each shot needs. If you ship ads at volume, my answer is InVideo Agent. It is invideo.io. And now, here are the 4 ads I built with InVideo Agent. Proof, flat, 1 line per shipped ad. The hero leads. Her walk to camera, the face the other 19 will answer to.
Some days, you just need to feel lighter. Softer. Easier. Uniqlo linen. Lifewear.
Ad 2. The striped shirt in the courtyard. Same woman, same room. Ad 3. The sage shirt on the beach jump, cloth behaving like cloth.
I've been eyeing this outfit for so long. I mean, look at it. It's giving chic yet effortless. I'm obsessed. This is definitely going to be my summer outfit. Save this for your next Uniqlo run.
Ad 4. The product clothes, collar, and weave matching the real catalog pages.
So this is the Uniqlo linen mini dress. It's actual linen, you can feel the weave, but it's really soft. The cut is this easy A-line so it doesn't cling, it just kind of falls. Oh, and it has pockets! And this burgundy is really pretty in person. Honestly, I don't think I need another dress this summer.
One model, 3 shirts, 4 ads shipped, 16 more briefed, and a 14-word close each. 0 drift anywhere on the slate.